Hello everyone, my name is Alfisha Putri Firdaus with my ID number is 17. I'm from Economic Education 2020 International Class. In the following video, we will learn together about history of economic thoughts of Thomas Robert Malthus. Before that, let us know first who is Thomas Robert Malthus. Thomas Robert Malthus is a British demographer and political economist best known for his pessimistic but highly influential view on population growth. Malthus was born on February 13, 1766 in Surrey, England into a wealthy family. He was the seventh child of Daniel Malthus and Henrietta Malthus. His father, Daniel Malthus, was a personal friend of the philosopher and skeptic David Hume and acquaintance of Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Young Malthus studied and educated at home. Finally, in 1784 until he was accepted into the Department of Mathematics, Jesus College, Cambridge. Need to know, there he studied many subjects and received awards in English Commission, Latin and Greek and graduated with honors. In 1791, he obtained his master's degree and was elected a Fellow of Jesus College 2 years later. In 1797, he was ordained and became the Anglican priest of the village. In 1804, he decided to marry and had 3 children. Next year, in 1805, he became the first British professor of political economy at the East India Company College at Haileybury in Hertfordshire. After we know about the history of Thomas Robert Malthus, we will turn to the theory put forward by Thomas Robert Malthus. According to Malthus, the process of economic development is an economic downturn is more than just smooth or lack of economic activity. In theory, Malthus does describe how the economy is moving toward the circumstance in stationary, but there are setbacks before reaching the highest level of development. Malthus' thought on population growth and economic development. According to Malthus, population growth is the result of development process. However, population growth cannot occur without a proportional increase in well-being. If the cumulative rate capital increases, the demand for power work is also increasing. Such condition encourage growth citizen. However, population growth will increase will far only when the growth increase effective demand. Advice from Malthus to improve economic development. To know, Malthus has some advice for improving economic development, including improving economic factor and improving non-economic factor. First, balanced growth. Balanced growth, the economic is divided into two, namely the agricultural sector and industrial sector. Technological advance input sector lead to economic development. Number 2, increase effective demand. There must be an effort to increase effective demand by distributing wealth and land ownership more equitably. Next, improve non-economic factor. Increasing non-economic factors such as education, moral standards, habit of hard work, good administration, and efficient law. Now, we learn together about the famous essay of Thomas Robert Malthus. Thomas Robert Malthus published 6 editions of his essay from 1798 until 1826. In his essay, Malthus argues against Godwin's prediction of a future world perfect with everyone's needs being met. According to Malthus, this is impossible to achieve because the population tends to grow faster than foods. Malthus felt that there was a conflict between two basic human needs, namely the need for food and lust between the sexes. Maltus thought that if food increased, then without being controlled, the population would increase to the maximum limit of food supplies. Maltus argues that while the population is increasing in a geometric direction, such as 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and many more, in practice, agricultural production can increase faster than arithmetically, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and many more. In the last part, we will discuss about weakness of Malthus' theory. The first, secular stagnation is not inherent in capital accumulation because in reality low consumption is not a permanent symptom but only temporary. The second, negative view of capital accumulation according to the fact that capital accumulation does not lead to a reduction in demand for consumer goods and decline in profit. Okay, thank you for watching this video and see you next time.